So here's the 2015 Kia Retreat that we got in this week. As you can see, it's a beautiful vehicle, fully refurbished in the Kia factory and in lovely condition. This is a 7.15 metre motorhome, 3.3 metres high, 2.5 metres wide. So let's go in and have a look. So starting in the cabin, it's a Mercedes. Beautiful automatic transmission, all the modern cons. You'll see it's got Bluetooth and radio controls on the steering wheel. Lots of information on the dash, like mileage and that kind of thing. GPS unit, reverse camera, everything you need in here, including armrests on the seats and beautiful seats that have multiple adjustments so you can always get comfortable. The floor plan of the Retreat is very flexible. You've got a huge dinette here in the front, plus an extra seat on the right hand side, so it does take 6 passengers legally with seat belts, and also sleep 6 in 3 double beds. Plenty of cupboards, good kitchen, fridge, stove. This particular unit has 3 gas burners and 1 electric, plus a sink, microwave. You've got a TV here with a DVD player, and of course there's an air conditioner in the house as well as being one in the cabin. Club lounge at the back, which is easily converted into a bed for people that want to have a permanent bed. And then the bathroom, very roomy. Separate toilet, you can see the shower there, and the shower is separated from the toilet by 2 perspex doors, which close over to stop the water coming out. Little sink, so one person can be putting on their makeup and the other person can be in the shower. We've got a couple of wardrobes here and lots of storage generally. Loads of overhead cupboards all around these overhead cupboards, and there is external storage as well. Sorry, more overhead storage here. And obviously drawers down the bottom of the kitchen cupboards as well. All your controls all in one place. Very easy to operate this motorhome. And then going back outside, you can see you've got an awning. This is a Savannah awning, the easiest to use awning on the market. One person can put that awning out in about 30 seconds. External storage that goes right through to the other side. Quite a big space. It's also accessible from inside, under the bed. Reverse camera. LP gas storage, hot water service, toilet emptying. So that's a very quick look at the Kia Retreat. Beautiful unit, as I said, lovely refurbishment from Kia. And if you've got any interest in that, please give us a call on 0426 021 691, or you can see more on the website cairnsmotorhomes.com.au.